Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're here, chances are you're looking for answers to some common concerns about men's health, particularly when it comes to size and combating penile shrinkage. Now, let's be super clear from the start. This isn't about quick fixes or unrealistic promises. We're talking about adopting healthy, sustainable practices that support your overall well-being, which naturally extends to every part of your body. Think of this as empowering yourself with knowledge directly from a urologist's perspective, focusing on optimizing your body's natural functions. Today, we're diving into 6 key strategies that can help you feel your best, addressing common issues that men face as they age or deal with lifestyle factors. First up, let's tackle the elephant in the room: lifestyle. It might sound basic, but your daily habits profoundly impact your vascular health, hormone balance, and yes, even erectile function and perceived size. Think of your body as a complex machine. If you put in low-quality fuel and neglect maintenance, it won't run at its best. This includes everything from the food you eat to how much you move. We're not talking about extreme diets or becoming a marathon runner overnight, but consistent, mindful choices that add up over time. A healthy lifestyle is the bedrock upon which all other improvements are built, creating a foundation for better health throughout your entire system. Our first trick, and it's a big one, is optimizing cardiovascular health. Why is this so crucial? The penis is a vascular organ, meaning its function relies heavily on healthy blood flow. When your cardiovascular system is compromised, due to things like high blood pressure, high cholesterol, or diabetes, it restricts blood flow everywhere, including to your penis. This can lead to erectile dysfunction and even contribute to a perceived reduction in size over time because the tissues aren't receiving optimal nourishment. So, how do you optimize it? Regular aerobic exercise, like brisk walking, jogging, swimming, or cycling, for at least 30 minutes most days of the week, is a game changer. Couple that with a heart-healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, and low in saturated fats, trans fats, and excessive sugar. Think of it as keeping your internal plumbing clean and clear. Moving on to our second strategy, managing your weight. Body fat, particularly around the abdomen, can have several negative impacts. For starters, it can physically obscure the penis, making it appear shorter. More importantly, obesity is linked to lower testosterone levels and increased estrogen, which can affect sexual function and overall body composition. Losing weight, even a modest amount, can significantly improve your hormone profile, boost blood flow, and frankly, just make you feel more confident and energetic. It's not just about aesthetics. It's about shifting your body chemistry towards a healthier state. Simple changes, like portion control and swapping sugary drinks for water, can make a huge difference in the long run. Trick number 3 focuses on hormone balance, specifically testosterone. As men age, testosterone levels naturally decline, a condition known as hypogonadism in some cases. Low testosterone can lead to decreased libido, fatigue, muscle loss, and yes, even changes in erectile function and penile health. It's vital to note that not every man needs testosterone replacement therapy, and it should always be discussed with a doctor. However, lifestyle factors greatly influence your natural testosterone production. We're talking about getting adequate sleep. -7 to 9 hours a night is ideal, regular strength training, managing stress, and maintaining a healthy weight. These actions help your body produce and regulate its own hormones more effectively. Next up, our fourth trick, and this one is often overlooked. Quitting smoking and reducing alcohol intake. Both smoking and excessive alcohol consumption are detrimental to your vascular health. Smoking directly damages blood vessels and impairs blood flow, making it incredibly difficult for blood to reach the penis effectively. It's one of the leading causes of erectile dysfunction. Alcohol, especially in large amounts, can suppress the central nervous system, making it harder to achieve and maintain an erection. Over time, chronic heavy drinking can also lead to nerve damage and hormonal imbalances. Cutting back or quitting these habits can dramatically improve blood flow and nerve function, supporting healthier erections and overall penile health. Our fifth strategy is all about *** pelvic floor exercises, sometimes called Kegels. ***, you might think these are just for women, but men have a pelvic floor too. And a strong one is vital for erectile function, urinary control, and even ejaculatory control. The muscles of the pelvic floor, particularly the bulbocavernosus muscle, play a key role in maintaining an erection by compressing the veins that allow blood to flow out of the penis. Strengthening these muscles can improve blood flow retention during an erection, potentially leading to firmer, longer-lasting erections. To find them, imagine you're stopping the flow of urine or holding back gas. Squeeze those muscles, hold for a few seconds, then relax. Repeat this several times throughout the day. It's a discrete exercise you can do anywhere. And finally, our sixth and perhaps most important trick, *** stress management and mental well-being. ***, your brain is the most important sex organ. Chronic stress, anxiety, and depression can have a profound impact on libido and erectile function. When you're stressed, your body releases hormones like cortisol, which can interfere with testosterone production and blood flow. Additionally, anxiety, particularly performance anxiety, can create a self-fulfilling prophecy, making it harder to achieve an erection. Incorporating stress-reducing practices into your daily life can make a huge difference. This could be mindfulness meditation, yoga, spending time in nature, engaging in hobbies, or simply ensuring you have strong social connections. If you're struggling with persistent anxiety or depression, please reach out to a mental health professional. There's no shame in seeking support. So there you have it, 6 powerful urologist-approved strategies to optimize your men's health, addressing concerns around size and combating penile shrinkage by focusing on the root causes, overall health, blood flow, and hormone balance. Remember, this isn't about magic pills or dangerous procedures. It's about empowering yourself with knowledge and making sustainable, positive changes that benefit your entire body, and specifically your sexual health. These tricks aren't just for solving specific problems. They are about improving your quality of life, boosting your confidence, and ensuring you're functioning at your peak, regardless of age. Start by picking 1 or 2 of these tips that resonate most with you, and try to implement them consistently. Small steps can lead to monumental changes over time. Your body is an incredible machine, and with the right care and attention, it can serve you well for many years to come. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more valuable insights into men's health and wellness. We love hearing from you, so drop your questions or comments down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay healthy, everyone.